Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with February's Stickii Club subscription. I have already opened it, just saved quickly faffing around with it. But this month is one that I cannot pronounce. If you're a regular subscriber to my YouTube channel, you'll regularly know that I murder people's names. I really don't mean to, but yeah. As always, I'm going to stick the little corner thing at the bottom. I don't tend to use the other one, I just save it. So this is like Sakura themed, but it's Yozakura. I don't know. I probably just murdered that, but hey ho. So in the top pocket this month, we have, if he will come out, this gorgeous, well, he's not a hamster because he's got a tail. So is he a rat? I'm not quite sure what he is. But he's cute. And he's got like, I don't know whether you can see it. It's got like, there you go, you can see it just a little bit there. It's got like a sparkly overlay on him. He's really sweet. Very Sakura themed. When I saw that it had Sakura in it, I was like, I have to have this because I love Sakura, and one of my other planners is Sakura themed. And then we have this. Oh, this is nice. This is different. So this is a reusable sticker album where you can just pop stickers in, stick it in the back of your planner, stick it in your purse, whatever you need to do. But the cover of this is made with vellum, but it's really thick and it's foiled. That's really nice. I really, really like this. And that's the Milk Koyo, the people who have drawn this design. That's really, really nice. I like that. That's probably my favourite one so far. And then in the back pocket, as always, we have stickers. But first I'm going to show you these. These are note pages, and they have like sweet themes on them, and then you got like a date thing at the top. They're really, really nice. I think there's 5 sheets. Yep, as always. You don't get them every month. It's just a nice thing. But what I meant by 5 sheets is they're always genuinely 5 sheets. These are transparent stickers, as you can see. You can see my hand underneath. And these are by Meow Cherry. I really like these. These are really pretty, and I love the cat. Yeah, I like that one. Then we have this sheet, which has got this holographic, like, there you go, there's the sparkle on it. And there's like different tea, drinks, ice cube, cake, donut. Yeah, very pink. It's pink. It's definitely my kind of aesthetic. And then we have this one by Stickii Club themselves, which is all just different sweets and jars. I really like that. That's got, oh wow, that's got, I didn't realise that was foiled. There you go. It's got blue foiling on it. Can you see that? That's nice. And then we have this one by Muffin Corner, and this is really cute. It's just, I can definitely tell it's a cute theme this month. I'm going to save that one for last because I don't understand how that fits in. But yeah, this one is the same person who did the big sticker. And we've got another one of him there. And this is a cute cat. Are they? Well, that can't be a cat because he's got no fur on his tail. That's a fox. I think that's like a beavery kind of thing. I don't know. I'm not sure. Unless he's a rat. Or a cute rat. He's cute anyway. I love him. I really like this one. They're really nice. I like this cat in the teacup. And then we have this one, which actually folds out to be long washi tape. And it is printed on long washi tape. I would have liked to have seen some different ones on each strip. I don't think I'm going to need that many of that one. It reminds me very much like Minecrafty because it's pixelated, but it's pretty, it's nice, it's different. And then the last sheet, which I'm completely confuzzled about because it doesn't really match the theme at all. Sorry about that. My phone's going mad. Is this blue stars? I mean, all right, that's got blue foiling on it, but yeah, it kind of doesn't go if I'm honest. But yeah, I really, really like this set. It's probably one of my favourite sets so far, apart from these 2 sheets. I mean, I like this one with the washi, but I'm not sure. I just don't understand why this goes with this at all. But yeah. So if you would like to check out the Stickii Club, definitely have a look at my link below in the description. There's a discount code in there as well, so you can save yourself some money off your first order. It is fantastically cheap. Like, I have never come across another sticker subscription this cheap, and shipping worldwide is amazing, and it is regular, fast, and brilliant. So until my next video, I will see you soon. Take care and look after yourselves. Bye.